Still smiling, Gambia's president-elect, Adama Barrow, is confident he will take office on January 19th. He won more than 45% of the vote in December's election. Yet incumbent President Yayha Jammeh is still not ready to hand over power. After 22 years ruling Gambia, Jammeh's party launched an appeal to the Supreme Court to annul the election results, citing electoral irregularities. Since then, security forces have clamped down on the opposition. Al Jazeera has not been allowed to enter the country, so we spoke to Barrow's spokesperson over the phone.
One individual cannot threaten a nation, especially a nation that is united. United by values, united in diversity, by common agreement that we will allow anybody who the vast majority allows to be president.
There are doubts over how the appeal will play out. Aside from a single Nigerian Chief Justice hired by Jammeh, it's thought there are no other sitting judges in Gambia's Supreme Court. For decades, the long-term president has held a tight grip over the tribunals. Few lawyers want to take up senior positions for fear of angering Jammeh and ending in prison. Despite efforts to hire foreign judges to the Supreme Court, neighboring countries won't allow their legal professionals to accept the posts. Heads of states from Liberia, Sierra Leone and Nigeria are to meet Jammeh on Wednesday again to convince him to leave office. They've threatened to use military action if he does not hand over power.
They expressed particular concern at the deteriorating situation that has been reported in respect of security in the Gambia. In particular, the closure of some of the radio stations and media houses, arrests that have been taking place.
Jammeh considered an armed intervention an act of war and is believed to have hired mercenaries to bulk up his military. Many close to him, including cabinet ministers and ambassadors, are defecting, fleeing Gambia. Despite the threats, Adama Barrow remains optimistic and calm. He says, change is coming. Gambians have decided. Nicholas Hawk, Al Jazeera, Dakar.